So the question a lot of people ask is, what is the difference between our standard top and our performance top? Well, the big difference is a narrow bar and less pullback. Our standard top is more designed to be pushed forward, almost running vertical, like a traditional style ape hanger. So you want to have that stretched out feel with a nice pullback, 6-inch pullback. I mean, it's a good amount of pullback. So the comfort is there, but it's more designed to be running vertical. And when you have that pullback that comes back towards you, our standard bar, which is also going to be 2 inches wider, is going to set you in a position like so, where the performance top is 31-inch wide with only 3-inch pullback. That bar is going to be pulled back towards you, just like a traditional style T-bar, and giving you that nice flat wrist position. You're not straight across, but the 3-inch pullback still gives you a nice little kick in the elbow and the comfort you're looking for as well.